Brainy Buzzy presents 12 different things that people who are truly confident do. When it comes to confidence, one thing is certain. Truly confident people always have the upper hand over the doubtful and the skittish because they inspire others, and they make things happen. Learning to be confident is clearly important, but what is it that truly confident people do that sets them apart from everyone else? Look at these 12 cardinal habits of truly confident people so that you can incorporate these behaviors into your repertoire. Number 1. They get their happiness from within. Happiness is a critical element of confidence, because to be confident in what you do, you must be happy with who you are. Number 2. They do not pass judgment. Comparing yourself to other people is limiting. Confident people do not waste time sizing people up and worrying about whether they measure up to everyone they meet. Number 3. They do not say yes unless they really want to. Confident people know that saying no is healthy, and they have the self-esteem to make their no's clear. When it is time to say no, confident people avoid phrases such as, "I don't think I can," or, "I'm not certain." They say no with confidence because they know that saying no to a new commitment honors their existing commitments and gives them the opportunity to successfully fulfill them. Number 4. They listen more than they speak. People with confidence listen more than they speak because they do not feel as though they have anything to prove. Confident people know that by actively listening and paying attention to others, they are much more likely to learn and grow. Number 5. They speak with certainty. It is rare to hear the truly confident utter phrases such as, I'm not sure, and, I think. Confident people speak assertively because they know that it is difficult to get people to listen to you if you cannot deliver your ideas with conviction. Number 6. They seek out small victories. Confident people like to challenge themselves and compete, even when their efforts yield small victories. Small victories build new androgen receptors in the areas of the brain responsible for reward and motivation. Number 7. They exercise. People who exercised twice a week for 10 weeks felt more competent socially, academically, and athletically. They also rated their body image and self-esteem higher. Number 8. They do not seek attention. People are turned off by those who are desperate for attention. Confident people know that being yourself is much more effective than trying to prove that you're important. Confident people always seem to bring the right attitude. Number 9. They are not afraid to be wrong. Confident people are not afraid to be proven wrong. They like putting their opinions out there to see if they hold up because they learn a lot from the times they are wrong and other people learn from them when they are right. Number 10. They stick their necks out. When confident people see an opportunity, they take it. Instead of worrying about what could go wrong, they ask themselves, what's stopping me? Why can't I do that? And they go for it. Number 11. They celebrate other people. Insecure people constantly doubt their relevance, and because of this, they try to steal the spotlight and criticize others to prove their worth. Confident people, on the other hand, are not worried about their relevance because they draw their self-worth from within. Number 12. They are not afraid to ask for help. Confident people know that asking other people for help will not make them seem weak or unintelligent. They know their strengths and weaknesses, and they look to others to fill the gaps. Bringing it all together. Building confidence is a journey, not a destination. Please share your thoughts on the matter in the comments section, as I learn just as much from you as you do from me.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.